Hello there. So I just launched my new book. It's titled How to Make Short-Term Sacrifices for Long-Term Satisfaction. Here are the 5 points that I touch on in the book. Number 1, be specific about your goals. Once you're clear about what you want and or where you want to see yourself in the future, it's best to write out your goals. Number 2, analyze your situation. In order to plan and strategize successfully reaching your goals, you must analyze your current situation, where you are now, and that way you can map out your plan. Number 3, the process of elimination. I call this the rabbit hole process because you're going to go down a rabbit hole of asking specific questions. You got to ask yourself those hard questions in order to move forward. Number 4, special account. Set up a special account so that way you can plan out achieving those goals. And the last one, number 5, satisfaction achieved. Once you've reached your satisfaction, once you've reached your goal, you can bask in the achievement. Go forth and be happy. Now, to check out, to order your copy, it's an ebook copy on Amazon. The link is below. See you guys on the next one.